Hello to everyone, those outside there. Can you hear me say, yeah, you are always outstanding, no? Outstanding, always outside, no? If you are outside, you become outstanding Catholics. Once a year, I especially thank the Diocese of Hong Kong, the Bishop of Hong Kong, because he gives for us Pari, he gives every year 3 weeks of holidays. And I look forward to those 3 weeks of holidays. And I prepare myself, no, months before I prepare myself, look forward for that day. And when I go home to see my parents and spend with them for 3 weeks, very, very happy. And when I come back, no, I'm happy to see you, that's what I'm telling. But my mother was crying when every time when I come back, no? But I say that there are so many people who will take care of me. So those so many are you, huh? So my mother is happy now, no? And it is very important to relax, no? And in the Diocese of Hong Kong, we have 2 types of holidays. One, just now, as I said, every year you can go home for 3 weeks. Or you wait for 3 years and go for 3 months. But, you know, those 3 months, I don't know, after 1 month, I don't know what to do. Now that I have only few friends, you know, I don't know really what to do. And the people also ask me after 1 month, Father, when are you going back? So it is a little bit longer. So I said, I will choose the first method. No? So go home every year, spend some time with the parents, because I have the obligation of the 4th commandment. What is the 4th commandment? Honor your father and mother, right? Honor your father and mother. So even if you are a Pari, you are obliged, okay? You have to follow the commandments. And so the theme for this Sunday is relax, no? You relax. And I see every Sunday, not only today, the way you relax really inspires me. I know that you love singing. I know that you love dancing, no? I see so many times singing and dancing, and in that way you relax, because that is the day, only one day that you can, no? And so it is very important to relax in a meaningful way. And why? Because it gives us a lot of energy. It gives us a lot of strength so that we can work hard. Remember, even God has rested on the 7th day. God has worked for 6 days, created the heavens and the earth and everything that exists, and on the 7th day, He has rested. And He has blessed that day, and we call that day the holy day or the Sabbath day, and today we call it as Sunday. No? So that is why it is very important that we understand the meaning of this word relaxing. Jesus also is telling the disciples, you know, come away by yourself to a deserted place and rest a while. Because we are human beings, we cannot work like machine for 24 hours. We need to take some rest. And so Jesus understood, because the disciples were working very hard. And that is why He told them, please take a rest. And so He was inviting them to really take rest and get energy so that you can work more and more. And the second thing, the people always were looking for Jesus. They want to hear Jesus again and again. For example, you like one song, no? You want to hear again and again. Or you like a preacher, no? Somebody preaching. Maybe you like it very much and you want to hear again and again and again. Why? Because it is so relaxing. Why? Because it is touching your life. Why? Because it is touching your hearts. And Jesus was a very great speaker. You know, a great speaker because he was able to enter into the lives of the people. He was able to touch the hearts of the people, touch the families, touch the people by his preaching. Let's say, for example, he was talking about the forgiveness. And Jesus explains the meaning of forgiveness. And people can relate. Yes, it is true because it happened in my life. Yes, it is true because it happened in my family. Yes, I understand the meaning and the value of forgiveness because also something happened in my life. And so Jesus was a great speaker because he was able to touch the hearts of the people, touch the lives of the people. And that is why many people want to listen again and again and again. And so this is the second thing the gospel is telling. Have the desire to listen to the word of God every day. Have the desire to listen to the word of God every day. That is why many times I recommend people, so when we come here, we are celebrating Mass, we are singing, we are praying, but this is a community activity, community prayer. But then when we go home, it is also important that we have our own personal prayer life. Some people like to read the Bible. Some people like to recite the rosary. Some people like to do the meditation. And it is very, very, very important. And so Jesus, he was able to touch the hearts of the people. And the people have this desire. And we also should have this desire. Desire to listen to God every day. Desire to listen to God every day. Why? Because there is an atmosphere of peace. There is an atmosphere of joy. There is an atmosphere you really want to do better. Because the Lord is entering in your life through the Word of God, through your prayer. And finally, Jesus says, he looks at the crowd and he says, his heart was moved with pity for them because they were like sheep without a shepherd, and he was teaching them many things. So remember, a shepherd is the one who is leading the people. The shepherd is the one who is leading the sheep. And so a shepherd for us today is, we can call it as a priest. A priest and bishop, we are shepherds. And so one thing is very important, we have to listen to our shepherds. We have to listen to our shepherds. I'm not telling to you, but all those who are listening this my message, we have to respect our pari. We have to respect our shepherds. We have to listen to them. Maybe sometimes they don't agree with our ideas. Maybe sometimes they have a different idea than us. But remember, a shepherd, a pari, is the one who is anointed. So he is blessed. And so he is representing God. And he is the one who is giving us the word of God. And so the first thing is to respect. Because he is the one chosen by God. And when you respect, when you obey, when you listen, remember, your blessing is doubled. You have more and more and more blessings. And so Jesus was having pity, moved with pity for them, because that is the heart of the shepherd. A shepherd is the one who is always working for the people. And so learn always to respect. learn to listen, learn to obey. Because when you listen, when you respect, you are obeying God. You are respecting God. And so this is also very important for me, for you, for each one of us. And so, dear brothers and sisters, the gospel talks about three important things. Relaxing. Relaxing is very important. And the second thing, have the desire in your heart for the word of God, for the prayer. And remember always to respect our shepherds. God bless you.
Please all stand to profess